All right, so happy Monday, guys. It is a start to another week. I'm doing local vlogs. They are boring. Let's dive in it this week. I have some news. All right, so on Thursday of last week, they told me that they like the way this is going with the local routes and that they want to extend it another month. So did October, actually we're still in October. It's going through November, and yeah, they like the way it's going. So that's good news. Now, some things that I have been noticing while doing these. I've never really done locals full time. I am mainly at home helping book. Also, when I do it, I am OTR, over the road. I have noticed, like, the job sites that I pull up on and all of that. I mean, just getting in and out of these locations, they're pretty brutal. I mean, I'm gonna flip around and show you a location that I'm on right now. Even though this does not look that bad, this is mainly what I'm doing, man. I'm picking up on sites like this. I'm taking to job sites. I'm dropping in, random road crews or new construction sites. And I have noticed the wear and tear doing locals versus over the road. Which one do you think's worse? Do you think it is more wear and tear driving 600 miles a day, or doing what I'm doing, basically like an 8 to 3 p.m. Running through the city? What do you guys think? Because I'll give you my honest opinion, and I'm pretty sure I do 95% of my maintenance on my truck. Locals, man, will tear your equipment up. Maybe not tear it up, let me rephrase that. It is more wear and tear. It's stop, go over this, go over that, go through this caliche to be able to drop. It is visibly different. This is no lie. My truck is good. I got highway gears. I have 373s in this truck. It moves down the highway nice and easy. My alignment straight. And then this is just... So, that is one thing that I've noticed. Now, what am I spending a week? This is week 4 that I'm on currently, and I am averaging $200 to $250 a week in fuel. Now, when I start Monday, like today, I started with 3/4 of a tank. That is one huge plus. I am moving, I am working, I am not staying dormant. So, spending about $200 a week to make $4,250 it's doable to me. What do you guys think? But yeah, man, we're gonna extend it another month. Kind of stoked about it. This is crazy. So just because I'm doing locals does not mean that I'm immune to dealing with issues. My guy Robert, he's been with me 3.5 years. He had equipment issues yesterday, and I wanted to put this in the video before he goes out. The reason why is He is a Diamond C trailer, 40-foot hydraulic dovetail, 12K axles, and we actually had 2 of these in our fleet. And the reason why I'm making this video is both trailers had the exact same thing happen to them. Right around the hydraulic dovetail part where it goes down, all of this stuff starts cracking. It starts cracking away from the frame, and it takes a lot of work getting those fixed. But the reason why I'm making this, man, is I'm not sure. He just replaced his cylinders. Robert is huge on his maintenance, and he takes care of his equipment. He's very picky. Has this happened to you guys, like with these hydraulic dovetails? It's just alarming. But anyways, man, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I am making videos, and I'm a week behind, so last Friday's video is gonna come out this Friday. That's how I'm gonna have to do this, because making videos the day of, it never works out right. But anyways, guys, just wanted to make one about locals, what I'm spending about $200 a week in fuel. It is, I do believe, a little more wear and tear. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.